Sound. Over the years, the way we have heard, and especially the way we have recorded sound, has changed drastically. Yet through its changes, sound has always been the very thing that resonates with the world.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to sing the chorus for you.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet. Wait a minute, I tell you. You ain't heard nothing. Toot, goodbye. Toot, don't cry. Don't cry, Tootsie, don't cry. Excuse me, Tootsie, goodbye.
The fateful hour of 11 has struck, and Britain's final warning to Hitler having been ignored, a state of war once more exists between Great Britain and Germany. Arriving at Westminster to hear the ominous decision, statesmen set a good example, now universally followed, by carrying their gas masks. Following the declaration of war,
The Quake Island is probably captured by the enemy, and now it is supposed that fewer than 400 Marines held the Wake Island for at least 14 days against heavy Japanese attacks. The Marines had 12 months.
Roger, Mission Control. This is Mission Control to the launch vehicle. All right, we're situated here ready for liftoff. Checklist E71 Beta Niner.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
As you can see, or hear rather, the recording of sound has played a vital role in our society. From its early beginnings to its current possibilities, it has changed the world around us. Even this AI-generated voice you are hearing now at this very moment is a testament to how far the recording of sound has come. Sound is truly what resonates with us all.